Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this super stable whipped cream frosting. When you use it on your cake can last up to 7 to 8 hours outside without refrigerating or freezing it. So sit back, relax, and make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, before we continue, I want to introduce you to something special, something new in town, and I want to introduce you to Becouc spices. Becouc spices come in different sizes, they come in different varieties. This is the ground crayfish, this is the Cameroon pepper, this is the chili pepper. They are all 100% natural without additives. So you can buy your Becouc spices for your kitchen use, your catering services. You can buy them for your souvenirs, your gift hampers. And remember, Christmas is coming, so you can always buy it and put it in your Christmas hampers so you can share to your friends, your relatives, and to your well-wishers. And aside that, you can also buy it in bulk for your local and international supplies. So if you want to buy in bulk, if you want to become a distributor, just check the description box. You get the whole details, so you can always contact them. Every kitchen needs Becouc spices. So start using your Becouc spices today and step up your cooking game.